How do you have friends? How can you build friendship relationships? How do you make a person want to talk to you? How do you become a person loved by others? This is not a video, but an introduction to a free course I will upload on YouTube, divided into episodes. In this video, I have decided to explain to you a summary of what awaits you in the upcoming videos concisely. This course aims to show you the paths you can follow and how to acquire the necessary knowledge to form friendships and achieve social communication. Currently, the majority spend their time carrying their smartphones inside the spaces of social media or through messaging, rather than talking and living in the real world. And this leads to the loss of communication skills and getting to know others and so on. This is the reason that makes humanity suffer for the first time from the pandemic of loneliness. Most people have a few friends or none at all. This course comes to solve this problem and teach you how to interact with people, build meaningful relationships, and communicate with others anywhere. This course will rely on psychological aspects, books, resources, and scientific studies, which are rarely found in most existing videos. The difference between this course and any other video is that you will not only learn methods or steps to practice, but you will understand how the person thinks. You will know how relationships are formed, and you will know what the person's personality is made of. You will also learn how to communicate from scratch and gain the skills you need. Trust me, I am not exaggerating when I say that your life after this course will not be the same as before, because this maturity and knowledge you will take are all you need, because its application is easy. You don't have to work hard on it or anything like that. So rely on this information that will enter your minds and put in a little effort behind this course. After this course, you will be the person respected by others, and it will only take a little effort to achieve that. You will be the person that everyone wants to talk to or be with. You will be the accepted and friendly person, and also the one whose words are heard and valued highly. In this course, we will start with the basics, and we will see how people speak, think, and behave. And then we will learn about body language and communication skills. This course will be the path you need to create a successful social life. It will benefit you mentally and physically, and it will help you increase your limits even in your professional life. This course will consist of 6 to 10 episodes, so subscribe to the channel and activate the bell, and welcome to this course.